this video, I'll take you through a quick review of Freedom Breakthrough 3.0 by Jonathan Montoya. So these are affiliate marketing program and a course, and it is going for $2,500. And if you are a beginner, you better watch this video till the end, because what I realized about this course is that the main agenda or the main way of making money is by promoting this course. So with affiliate marketing, if you want to learn affiliate marketing, don't limit yourself to just promoting one product or spending $2,500 just promoting one product. And if you see the people making reviews or giving feedback about this product, you may find that someone has only made like 2 sales or 3 sales. Imagine. What about if you do an affiliate marketing business that doesn't limit you to just promoting someone else's course, but providing solution to your audience? So let's compare it with Sarah Finance affiliate marketing course. So Sarah Finance course is going for $297, and this is someone who is promoting different products, niches. You don't need to resell her course in order to make money. It teaches you a step-by-step process on how she was able to make this amount of money, as you can see from impact.com, where you have access to more affiliate products. You can see her students made 18K this month already. Affiliate marketing can be easy if you just promote high-ticket affiliate. And here you are offering solution, unlike for Freedom Breakthrough 3, where you are reselling this product. It's a done-for-you system. It's more like network marketing, where you are just referring people to purchase a course, or you are referring people to a webinar, you see. And all this content may be quite confusing if you are just a beginner. You better learn from people who already know the simple concepts. Affiliate marketing is very simple, and I'll leave a link in the description for you to access both of these courses in order for you to make a decision. So with Sarah Finance affiliate marketing, you'll be able to learn the foundation. That is everything you need to know about affiliate marketing: creating an online brand, analysis of trends to find the best niche, the most profitable niche, finding affiliate niche, website creation, landing page, everything for less than $1,000. And you learn all this from Sarah Finance. I've been following a YouTube channel, and I like a way of teaching. It's not complicated and it's simple, unlike where I think Jonathan Montoya is just trying to convince you to buy this course. Look at this testimonial. Everyone has a video, but they don't show you the reality. You see, I've seen people who have taken this course and they are out of business because they spend their last earned dollars on this. So if you are a business person, invest in quality programs where you are able to learn from people who have been able to make money from not only one niche, but they are making money reselling their course instead of promoting other products that help people. So don't limit yourself to just promoting these master resale courses, because if you want to make money with affiliate marketing, you should not limit yourself to just a course. Instead, focus on other niches. So for Freedom Breakthrough 3.0, you can check out the link in description if you want to learn more about it. But if you are just a beginner, I'll recommend that you check out this one for Sarah Finance, which is more simple to understand, and it is basic knowledge that you require with affiliate marketing. You don't need to complicate things. And when it comes to marketing, you learn all email marketing, blog content creation, viral content, Pinterest, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. So if you're just getting started with affiliate marketing, I'll recommend that you check out this course. I'll leave a link in description for you to access it. I hope you learn the best from Sarah Finance. But if you want to resell this course, you can just join this program and resell it. You'll get the rights to resell this product, and it is going for 2,500 US dollars. So instead of spending huge amount of money and not getting all the required skill set, you better go for this course by Sarah Finance. You can also check our YouTube channel to learn more.